Hi everyone, in this video I'll explain you how to study a technology to crack an interview. Right? There are so many options available in the market. There are so many courses which can teach you a particular technology. It can teach you the syntax, it can teach you how to program and how to use that technology. But none of those courses explain you how to study that technology to crack the actual interview, right? If you have experience in that technology, really good experience, then you are covered, right? Your bases are covered because some part of it. But imagine somebody who doesn't have experience in that technology. They have either basic idea of technology, they are working in the technology, but they are not interacting it with day-to-day basis. In that case, how do you study that technology, right? That is what we are going to cover in this section. And in my original video, right, in the original DevOps video, how to become a DevOps, I have mentioned 7 to 8 tools and technologies one need to master to become a good platform engineer or a DevOps or a cloud engineer. So we are taking the first, which is Unix and Linux and Bash scripting, as a reference. This is just a framework to explain you how I'm going to teach you so that you can crack the interview. And you can be somebody who have very less idea of that technology, or you are starting for the first time, you are learning technology from somewhere else, or you can learn the technology from the material which I will provide, right? The course will cover both the cases. So there are 5 basic steps. Once you complete those 5 basic steps, you will be ready for the real interview. So the first step is learn Unix commands, including VI editor. And obviously I'll be providing the material, the links from where to study, but I'll not teach you the syntax. You need to study that from somewhere, right? And the material I'll be providing you. But the first step is you need to learn Unix commands, including VI editor. Second, Bash scripting. Once you learn first 2 steps, you need to complete 2 to 3 projects, and I'll explain those projects to you. That is part of this course, right? I'll be explaining line by line how to complete those projects and what is the significance of those projects so that you can explain those projects in your interview, right? And then I'll provide the interview questions, because the interviewer is not a god, right? He's a human being just like you and me. So they might be searching the interview questions either based on their experience based, or they might be searching on the online, right, from ChatGPT or from Google. So once you have a good idea of this technology, once you have done a couple of projects and you have obviously practiced for the interviews, going through those interview questions, you will be ready for the interview. And then the fifth step will be you will attend a mock interview with me, and I'll give you the feedback. Once you include those feedback, you go back and study, and then we'll take our final interview. After that, I think you will be ready for interview, trust me. And we'll cover every other technology as I mentioned in the beginning, right? There are 7 or 8 technologies which you need to master. We will cover all those 7 and 8 technologies in the course, and we'll make sure that you are really good in those technologies and you're ready for the interview. Thank you very much.